Well, thank you, Rebecca. Before I go into describing what you're seeing on the screen, just comment a little bit on the role of Unbound Medicine in this process. You just heard from the three nurse educators who were the kind of core early members of the task force that has now expanded. And Unbound Medicine has kind of been a consultant, if you will, and a platform provider. So on the consultation side, because of our informatics and information science expertise and background, we participated in all the meetings that were part of the design process, trying to figure out how to distill from the vast number of features that each of these products cover, those that are most important to encode and to transmit to you all in a nice, easy to consume way. So that was one role, was essentially being a consultant and team player there. And the other was to provide our platform as a donation to enable folks to do their reviews in a digital environment that's kind of a collaborative online authoring system, and then be able to publish that into a downstream platform that can be consumed on the web, on a mobile device, and an app, et cetera.